McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Ediane Peto,
McBrown's kitchen.
Emrina so,
McBrown's kitchen.
Ediane Peto,
McBrown's kitchen.
Emrina so, yetukano, yade baufio, anuntina mepia with TV so, anuntino, yade ediane pa ebro, McBrown's kitchen, ediane pa ede, yetukano, and yade baufie, sawunim noa, Brahma yen noa, yetun safro bibia sa McBrown's kitchen, yanimwa na eyi abedru sabre, ye namo she, anunti yade akonya no so atoa mamwa. This season ye feature mako. Sawa wunim sa. Ye mamunyina akwaba eba eneso ye share TV3. Ana sese onua na wohwemia ni nyina eni boy kotrem kwankro na mu enamde aduane pa ede brewe. Meda ase bebre enne me ne adwumako bi enne ba be hia ano aduane no enu nti no ena meka se bedru me bi na adru so no enche kra bedru so me ba chaw ye ba be no aduane me de aseda e mama boafo high sense eba no home appliances dia e high sense enne aduane a ye ba be yi wo hwe me punu so a tasty tom esi heavy tasty tom jollof mix ene de baba be ye aduane no enie kama ye da tasty thomas fakakra bi na ye bebre enapa foods aduane a ye be ye ene ye pese ye didi soche nti ye aduane no na ye two mackerel ana tuna no egumu na tese aduane no aye soche enapa tuna enapa mackerel enapa mayonnaise ene ye de bi be ye salad afei so no enapa ewo condensed milk eda enapa sepa me pa cha dead spices taste day inside dead spices hwemie ene dead all purpose ene ba be di djuma ewo aduane ayeye mu sara ene wo dead stew dead nutmeg and curry afei your dead noodles ni nyina ebi ewa ha sei bell pack tissue ena me kanfo ediama wo kitchen esi wa efe akono afei ye be di kivo gari esanse soakings aye easy kivo gari kivo pepper ehhehye enne ye di kivo pepper be ye aduane wa ha ane ye bi be ye aduane wa ha me ba cho pi enne senye Miway a ka say no way wa wonim dada waka senye Miway a ka say no way enne ye benya ho ho free Miway e wo fi ase afa ye that the GC brand ase the GC brand it's all about you. The GC brand, it's all about you. Say about real so jumedi so there. And you no any cleans and no. Ya de baba na clean come. 1 plus 400 e wo ho e de mawo 1 plus 400 enye na pharmacy and in license stores ni nyina me pa cho ubenya bi ye don ase bebre lunch and sanu nie ene ginemu a ama kitchen no adimu no ebusuafo ene ye ba be ye aduane ebia of course wo hwe ingredients ya wonim ye bi wo happen nenso se de menka no ye ba ye amna wa kono ama chese edu ba bia wo so aye den wa ye bi wo fi adi ye da se enko ba bia ene nat luxury hair enwi ene shemi sara na mod shizzle mod finest ene amami atade ya shemi manim makeup de berries glam and I glamour me sandberries, me da sibebre. Me mpabwe every Wendy love fashion. Eho and I mama na se aye kama me da na se. And you know me nyina asedan kan mu nyina. Nemo mi twa me ho aba. Wa wo hwe me no so de wo hia me pa. Wa wo hwe me no ho hia me nti. Me twa me ho yi na me ba sesia. McBrown's kitchen eduane pa. Ede. Yana samenamwa high sense product bakwa amanfo di wadanse pa eye sound system e bomusronko bass ya bass treble so a treble ya shada ye ne say onam bluetooth so a connect ma odam niam nyina na watie wo sound papa bi connect your phone am a high sense sound system ne tie onyo enfie bebre ni and a high sense e di abotre ada eniam bi ti say rice cooker, air fryer, ceramic hobby, and you may come bini halogen oven, blenders, hand blenders, and a kettle. A hand mixer, food processor, pressure cooker, contact grill, vacuum sealers, iron, vacuum cleaner, and an ice maker. And you man on ne fe, ne buo, and ne said the entry in Namkania, internet grofweni jihosano. Say home appliances and kwana opedia. To high sense, now fear me dawase. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. What first? Yes, some 12 I'm saying. 1,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 1,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! Now where?
5,000 Ghana cedi.
Say, 8,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! After you move to me and 15,500 Ghana cedis cover. The Diabaka will be on a hospitalization. Tresse, we are a sabia, ever blow what you can. After critical illness. Tresse, Yaria Cronco Bua, Yajatum Saboa, ever blow Mawaku. Big Brian, Yakaka Winina, Kakrabi pet, and the other to the Utiano so many. Waiting on my way, yes, no. For phone, dial *165#. Never come home. Send you my way. That's it, no way!
Miway, a product of MiLife and MTN Momo.
Tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no? Tasty Tom tomato mix. Oh for kakra. Na ye bebre. For kakra young quiny stew. Dodwa ope. No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe. Eka hunimieni.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania Japan. Presenia and Nino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mixing tea. Me handwriting and sada. Then I need the sanet here. It's customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me Kasano, Adebia mi yebiano, me shishimpe papano. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishimenya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewe tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft, but not weak. Strong, but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua, me hotome. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soki? Echimu esa pepa. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say here pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack.
DA approved.
After this fufu and pepper soup, I go score goals like them the dash points.
Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. Good for your jollof, stew, soup, shito, spaghetti, and noodles. Kivo hot pepper. Moko show.
I'm a match winner, but the real champion is Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. Champion taste.
This advert is FDA approved.
nsonson ba wiyema ema wo ho kekao wiyem tumi ya weya wenu mu nso to umoja so te
nsonson tumi fa aduane a embeye mfuturo ene note so ene konipedua mu
Wemplex 400 eyen sunsudura eyema mpenini mofra nyina ubetumi anom na bribia ena honom no brano Wemplex 400 tablet ba kupe beyi sunsun nyina free one term kra round web hook web tape web Wemplex 400 kuwon kojo to
Wemplex 400 aboa mene mebusuafo iti wusukoto binom
emma won banofo apenfo ene nkwada wonya mfie mienu enhunu won dokota ansan wafa bi
Wemplex 400.
Wemplex 400 asunsuna tamfo FD aje dwede nkratu yatum
Honey, new sample and a pot evaporated milk. Tasty and creamy, right?
so
And a pot milk, a well custard one a fine. Na se well Tom Brown no rice water muswa a nice. Honey, trip now baso with the and a pot mayonnaise. And a medaya with salad no any burger. Fries so and a pot tasty ketchup. In the good side, coffee ni jollof no so made the end up few long green rice. Oh, you are one. Don't forget your favorite and a chocolate milk drink.
Oh, more quite so.
See, honey, you are sorted.
I'm in control like a pilot on Anapa Airways.
Mama.
Me, you know.
Enapa, I can't stand it.
Just a moment. And a power, huh?
Yeah!
Enapa, or your Jack Macron no more. It's you cannot consider. Hey, you contomre. Udokuni, tomato sauce, or only a baby. Enapa sardine for box with salad. Hey, you stew, and a jollofa. Never to the one that don't know it though. Or to that. And the power of fear, or made to bunny a doa. You want a soy sauce, check for you, sir, or more tasty. And a pop baked beans for the breakfast. Na so a salad, or she, and a patuna, which are puffle. Na so a salad, or taste good. And a pan on dairy creamer. For box we so can see oats, na cremitino. Yawa and a spaghetti. Talia papa bi. Mansunin si jadun hre. Na fa and a spaghetti no kum. Wo and a patalia no are ready for watch on you with you. So ya na pa no so dia.
Inkrati FDA appendo.
McBrown's kitchen, Adriani Peto.
McBrown's kitchen abusiafo aduane pa ede aduane no anumre aso o say ye de hihye so wa ha badanya me enema ye eneme ni adwuma ekuo sa me kasa senya my way a no aje so kasa no way me ni my way empanyimfo ene ba ba ye aduane no sadia wunim no me say akwanya na bie for everybody emre ne so a oso obeba ha enu ntini ebe no aduane ni edi my way ho nkomo so kakra abra no aduane no ene me wo Mr Ben Mr Victor ena Miss Maud ewa ha enu ti no ye be mo munwom na omu dia saba na minim sa oba no be sevu mema no a ana mema no so ebe I don't know omu ba na ye be hu ne oba no aduane nti no DJ my nyom ne fa share my way insurance come on aduane bedo according to Asanya be hu say aduane no be da na enye de ebe do wrong come on atu Maud and then yeah Obama ko da me mantem ya oso je dia atu Sanya my way
I said no way.
And now when you my way ya be ma jollof bi adi no aye my way tentem na wo fie ne etoma na betumi asode a ene no I mean so wo fie betumi ato jollof na ma
package bi am
and won timi so na mo betumi a kire o Said the obetumi aye my way wo wa phone no so wo fi. Nti abusanfo mo me mra inside na me mama kwa abaja. Okay. Any mom dia yampa. Na me kai wo say oba horo nsa hwehwe the GC brand your product please na horo nsa na nye clean pepepe. Enti no mpacho me horo me nsa maye me de. Enyem na me no aduane no nso be hu ana ye kobai na makoso bibi mu. Mod.
Yes, ma.
Me pacho. Be gina me nchana eno a ebe horo nsa kama mami. Ewo he ya. Ane. Na me pamcho ene hwan eno aduane no.
Master. Grilling and nice.
You will take care of the.
I prepare it and then hand it over to the oven. The rest,
okay.
Excellent.
Excellent. Yes, and I ain't chicken. No, you the show oven.
Oven
straight. What? Number two
oven glass dish.
Any more the veg jollof.
Debio.
The be
back on for jollof. Me say salad so sin chain.
Okay, and the more be salad.
Now why jollof? Are you sure?
To be frank, you be jollof. I say your friend no.
Miway jollof.
Say what you wear. And you'll be away. Yes, I also will feel also to me my way jollof nubi. And then I remember Roman say. Omo Roman sat na fair ye dear Diana no abesha so. I was here for McBrown's kitchen near Yaro and Sat. Yabejina said they make an salad and a jollof be back kokosoha. Into ingredients no one ever.
Started with chicken.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, what dead those spices I all peppers.
Yes.
Garlic warm, dried onions warm.
Bibia shame. Rosemary.
Rosemary shame.
Ginger kakra.
Ginger kakra. Aye. Na the bibi kakra super box and papo shito no. And ma papo flavor. Na na dey my way no be bad out.
And 2% papo shito.
Papo shito no. Box in kakra. Na me the onions kakra.
Now also we have grilled chicken. Na grilled chicken e ko oven no straight and now you say.
Debbie me marinating na see a low fire na I warm me kakra and sana ko oven no.
Na so be no ho kakra.
Be no ho kakra.
And sana ko oven no.
And sana ko oven.
Eno no man ye ne da na say man
na ingredients no ehu ye be piece na me kakra na ingredients na encomiums na no I fine.
Ene na okra me mu start ne ntem.
Aye.
Ane. Inti je encomiums.
Good. Onions, be cut onions the kakra.
Na bra be start wa
Good.
Inti abusafo ya hu chicken no na josuo ene de oye mama o chance no so dada esi o afa next person
na onion funny na anko. Tasty tomato aroma. You jollof mix.
Yes.
Actually say, and then oh ye jollof nye fiance obe nyam bibia de bi ya kani na bu Muhammad ba ko pe. Enu ni. Then there is a jollof no be so nko de. Ye de ohun we. And now your friend say
tolo beef.
What is tolo beef jollof da? And the best special, the tolo beef so bad day.
Me betran kranti me kan tolo beef. Ye kuma so de kan beef and de nchini wom.
Aha, beef de nchini wom no. Na so nkran de your friend no tolo beef. Ade ba kwa say hye ne so no say the tolo beef ye jollof ah. Tolo beef na say nchini wom.
Eno mu nkasa me ko hwe ha.
Enti de hia ai so say hwe ne say ye be no ho kakra. Near the chin a woman, no, I jollof no. Eddie jollof in Sionum. And when she cries, a better says, say a man chink and cry the canwa. Why is when you bow on so now jollof no. I ain't chinning.
Okay, now me come so I am Kobisa. Would make no person blend and a wuchicha.
Me person me blend any onions kakra.
And the men chicha for mammy.
Okay.
And the technology in tea.
Okay.
We be easy. If I know Jane and now bet you can go him.
Okay, good.
Oh, there's some gumusa.
Okay, all right.
Okobuano. Woman Jane
me hear me.
Make so mama and major too so for salad.
Jane and the more, no mamo janti more.
Yo, another. I to say competition working here.
Sisi I did me hear any bowl a man want me to beef no. Me no, it's just so a man want to manage time in tea. Let's start so I me stew no straight away.
Okay.
And did me hear and so become Jane and mammy.
Hey, and another my pressure by me so kitchen.
10. No time wasting. And say ebusia mo here no ani. We the good man now I read we didn't see kakra. And she will move find Chimbianka.
Okay, and you
Dada we hear Jane bia.
Okay. In Timpa Chow. Juice you Joao managing another man pass it.
Kids were be.
Eh dey a wo bra so be hia nsuo kakra wa ha wonti en supply ne kakra.
Okay, mama man.
Kakra bi no meka say.
Na ebede na me pesa no dey ebe ya.
Heat ni na.
O chine na ase kakra.
Heat ni na.
Oh hey, enti afa me blend ma. Okay. Usafo. And the kitchen have a debia. 3 competition in 1. Intino. Any. Yes. Mary.
Na me pay both for me still.
Hey, the pressure burn on the mama. Chicken ra edene papa shito ene ni jene ko ho Mr. Maminsawo chicken ra all purpose no you mu say your size kese for chop bar for caterers mo ye aduane bebre no
na my way jollof for there yeah they are polyfish
we dey ni nyina betumi akọ because of say ye won chine kakra wo mu a enchine no betumi asolve ho na ma
my way jollof the onim they are pony in if my way na buy
okay
it say my way they are not say they buy
enya jollof kase no way Mod
jam you
I'm sure say this one ko manim kakra
okay they will
about but you must tell us your ingredients where your ketchup where your baked beans and your carrot no near my kakra
onion
into pacho me share a half one so na yen twa so kama
and
into pacho
good
would you know we me help beef no so
good
the beef na ekoyi
na say me gina anu ma meka say ha de so far so good your chicken is jaso and your beef no so esi jaso mod my ejene no na fei ben so and starting the jollof ana me boa
no
all right mod chicha jene no my
acho you
okay ebusuafo
nti ye the budgets oil papa bi
and diane no
na man paka kranka on diane ndo
and diane mbo en bebre
yes obi abedi
and fasafa kakra kan
my way ubu awo my way bi abedi
wa my way bi abedi ujene no so anie se me fa ngumu a se me wa my way ntino
yes
also me dibi
chicken no me pese cool veduma me the spices be going to me the do in also you know all peppers no kakra box no
what is on the back wa kan ho
the crazy box kakra
so the big kan ho
na china
me mouse scissors and what ata Watch out, mommy, to my eye. Any. Yeah, the full pack say going, but I always remember say according to what do you know, and said the okay also on person this season be a big one.
Just the heat in the oven. Until I had no person be beer.
Yeah, they were say.
Okay.
But I can't not share mommy answer. I do say I near Cohen.
Yeah, the tasty tom no ebegum.
Yeah, the tasty tom ebegum. We say more there. Unya memo. Now also class also bet we start salad no.
Met me start.
Okay, maybe na start. I was for tasty tom. Yeah, was said you see measure in tosi. Yeah, the ye aduane. Titru sa we ye chop bar. Na ya ye ofie de. Ye pe no so chi ntin ye de ani ene beguguo. Ente sa wo kan ho no a kase yi oto a e be kire wo de. Would be it me fangum.
Nana fagum.
Me fangum.
Fagum.
Yo. And the me me measure aduane na ye nitino. Me pese e sochi.
The anana my way for you na ye na 1 million no.
Ye na 1 million.
Yes.
The whole Ghana.
The whole Ghana.
You do 1 million.
You do 1 million. My way for you do 1 million.
Wow. And then ye aduane for 1 million and over.
And one.
O me kan ho a ye pese be you from ti. We are over. You know, I can over for home.
Yes.
And we will still supply to the over. But you know, you have to be part of my way family. So mekono enye enough into according to who one no. If not, you the meko account, you the Jena account, you the carry account, not make kakra. What I say, na just say according to one no pa. Now the behind then account. To check my yourself if you need some pepper.
And I jollof them pepper.
Jollof the pepper. Intino
Pepper the ma jollof there.
Pepper no so ka ho. Na wonim say jollof so yan kola aduane pa. Eno to taste to me ya no. Ya adwene kola no ho. It's so ye panyini dia. Na wo de wo extra pepper account no na mema kibo pepper. Na wo de account any Oheneba according to say the wo pe no no. My way jollof. Actually, say kwan bia open no. Say the open jollof no. Sa pepe na say my way.
My way nti kwan bia open jollof no. Eno a. Send your bed amount no.
Okay.
My way jollof there. Este Niger jollof.
Change jollof.
And I say Ghana jollof. Jollof there. Eno a my way jollof.
My way jollof. Afa ye hwe meko no. O ka pepe kai say yeso ye bedi bio. Nti hwe o meko no say. Eye man ya.
Ma hwe meko no.
Ebro so de ne no aye stew ama foforo. She kibo pepe. Kibo pepe. Now, me be too many hwe me nua be ya wa serious wa Hamod. Ya say me ja nkomonim. Ma me nya omu. They say ya man ho 10 minutes. Ama ye tasty tom no a chikama. Afa so Victor so ani brain chicken no ho.
I say cook ho ye.
Guys, and e wi be ma max so.
Brutal.
You hear Baba Max?
Be the brutal.
Okay, be the brutal ampa. Ohima afabra eno so hia. Obe hia afabra ai. Mod. Yeah, Ghana salad na.
Yeah, Ghana salad.
Yeah, Ghana salad.
Ghana salad ni be hia eggs. But eggs me won say beef ni si just nti me fa eggs ni eden.
Enko gumu. Yo, strategy. O say ye fagumu a. Ya horo ho dada why? Na that a bedroom se beef no ebe hu awie no. Na ye nkosua no so abne. Now moving on. The next thing,
we have lettuce, bell pepper, cucumber, carrots, and onions.
And then spring onions.
Yes, and spring onions. Yes, and so ketchup. Dressing, skirmishes,
yes,
and baked beans
from Kibo
baked beans.
Yes. Enti no odiana say oba twitwa mix.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, great. Into be great carrots no.
Yeah.
All right. Abusuafo o mama aduane ye no aye simple wa ha me 3-in-1 cooking on McBrown's kitchen by Miway. Because it is my way, jollof. That's right. I think it's 10 minutes now. So.
My way now is simple life insurance. Simple life insurance.
Simple life insurance. Now, my beef no okay. Who? Now it's a beef no so baba heavy.
The beef no hunsu no baba hano.
Okay.
And wait you know, na ya the salt na you okay. Now ya manu kru kakra kama. And what is your combination no? Beef taste. Chicken taste all together in the my way
jollof. Chai na me so da bia me kasa my way no dial *165#. Na be kan busua no ho. MTN so. Na obi wo the other networks so eh.
You wo some like MiLife your other policies in the science wo mobile delivered insurance DBA or telecell and you *462#. Tell so betimi ayafa or so ni MTN or betimi ayafa ho.
And na we nyina be under MiLife.
Under MiLife.
Into MiLife ebusuafo mami low ano ye ni nkomo 2 minutes. Ye ka my way eh te say o mado so no aboba kodin.
Pepe.
Na ni nyina no ego under papa no a owo nkoda no na parent na ewo nkoda no. Into parent no eno ne MiLife. Into no MiLife. Adwumakuo no. Policies na ya hodo san na wase.
Dosun bebre you be your friend say micro insurance, you be your friend retail, you be a cool group. Into ye fan the back group no. Your friend say more ya sorry group. Person mo bom ho ban mu na we ye nto boa bi bosumi bia na esan bi ba motimi aba be gina ye so na magye bi de akopia ebusua na wotimi ye na your friend group life insurance.
Adwuma se bia sliding door for hairdressers.
And they were their friends say retail. And no, you will be more income protection. So Okobe ya na we juma 7 na odi ni wa. Why you say bia obetray your income protection your friend no my legacy.
You
and na your funeral policy.
My
tribute. Pepe. Oyema woni we busua. Say wo spouse, wo papa, wo mame, wo mba, wo nia. Now the matter so betche omuna the benefits are BBC ibitua and your friend funeral policy.
Okay. And your my future.
Yeah, my future and my way no. Eh, your phone so.
Say my way, I say no way.
Aye, nti say ebe bobo my way no kakra so ama nkofo hu my way no enchemu.
And you the chicken is just obra.
Nana.
Yeah.
If you ask about my way. I mean can't say me answer about my way.
Okay.
You need teacher for. Ewo policy bi ayaye. Okay. The teacher for nyina. A friend no heritage cashback plan.
Okay.
Heritage cashback plan. You need teacher for now. Heritage cashback plan no 10 years.
Okay.
Say oye policy ni bi. Oye teacher ni. Na say oye bi. 10 years no assembly antoa. Sika otua ye nyina. Yedni na bemma. Asenya amount 20%.
Okay.
You will teach your form mako over 80,000 in the WhatsApp policy.
Oh, okay. Well, Ghana ha.
Na your policy in such a way say, so your policy ni bia. After 6 months pay, no winya cover. You can't cover benny you can. You can't cover a ball who buying fee and your ma chitru mienu. You can say a ball who buying. So sign your money see the how bro. Enti cover no ema winya sika. Good, ema we need that so. Enti bibi ti say owo de etumi tun obia
aye hwemu kra wo Yesu de
twem saa so na ebia ye obro ni bi wo ye frɛ bibi say permanent disability, total and permanent disability. Etumi ebeton ebia kwanhia na yesisisi a wontumi nya adwuma biom ekoba ne saa odwuma bɔ ebede no edidi indi so yes our policy we bia enyoma mienu we se bi betum po free ma unya join after 6 months pe wo cover no na ye kasa sisi cover na ye be bia betu ama no and I'm 33,000 plus
sa na boso me betu asan budget
boso me betu 58 cedis
58 Ghana cedis
na cover
every month.
Yes.
Na se cover me aboso me 58
yes.
Na baby ania.
Yes.
Mo ba be hwe me.
Eno an ya ka no.
58 Ghana cedis.
58 Ghana cedis.
After 6 months, it covers me.
It covers you.
My
and your friend
heritage cashback plan. Yeah, the best here.
Good.
Near concentrate to and at least ya tete policies na se nkakra ya ti ase ba but we dey ya ti ase pa e koma a teacher for teacher nice one.
Ye ne health service workers union so will be.
Sao.
Yes.
Na say chese ye wie ne abedi emu nkomo ye. Enye te say ya no keke ene ye dey ka. Ye ne adwumakuo. Health workers union no a omu association.
Yes.
Sa Ghana police
special security services.
Almost to me ye bi.
To me ye bi.
Uni how. Ye no aduane no. Ya kire we mu. Ye kɔ no. Ye be kire mu afan. Ye hwɛ wo sio ya me hyɛda nam dum gya no. Cause 10 minutes na bro so. And also we train with beef. And we chicken on sio. I think that chicken na ye betumi asese na ko obi mu.
Yes. Enti Victor, me hia wo chicken no hunsuo.
O stock no.
Na o stock no nam dia ka beef stock ne ho. Nam dia me combination. Na ewie na se wo di bi ka wano na se anya odede a.
Any compare with different way. But say we way nko ade e my way.
My way jollof.
E ba sa dia na Victor ye be ni say. Yen nsuo ye chicken no. Na me ma wade anyi. Na minja mo ho amuyiyi we no me ko mod ho. Mod ani abre papa. Oyi na obi say cucumber. Anaka kumba. Oyi ni kakumba mu. Nice one. Into no mama no say it smell nice, but it smell nice. Into no ye ni say ya na fe ye de akoye oven ni mu. What I say? Yo abusafo. Sabre de ye tolo bi fi de. Wa brekra na ye kosua no so abementi ende. Mi yi de amamod.
Nana. Me me here bell pepper kakra de Ghana any onions kakra bi na ma me de.
Sawa. Me fa cho woni e ko hoy.
Mod me here bi.
Aduane de mu wie ne be testify. Be hwe de ne de ayedo. So o stock na ready.
Me pe two ni nyina.
Okay. Enti no ye chicken stock no.
Yes.
E kom.
No e kom.
Aye jasien kakra good. For chance ni sink nim. Nice one. I say me do beef ni dia nso. I have what say. Say.
Oh, bon comment que think.
What say?
Say, I fine. I fine.
Ah, you.
Fine.
Yes, you any everywhere. Mama can say I'm punching if you want. Shh. Ha. Shh.
So say nchine film.
Be from a car carry.
Kitwe.
We back when you are. Be from a car.
And anything na me train kra and some the nchin bi o mai dey.
Egumono. Said the way na so sa na you used to taste Tom jollof me say no.
Sa.
You just carry a nutmeg. Munim dada say ko jollof mo ele pa. We yan ketwa ntim di mienu. Ene be kom amna e kama. Where small sachet. Ntim di mienu akom. We nyina achi no asan ka ho nchine na dan. Ahwe. Afa have what to do saying.
Oh yeah.
Now we know.
Ready.
Now we know. Afa never ko ovini mu. Now you know. Now you know. Eba we ko se ovini mu. Agbagbola. How much is money? Premium or nothing? Anya my work cause no way. Agbagbola. Yeah, very chicken. To sabre. Said you can season it bibia alcohol dada. Into the become straight. Say ya. Wow. We pa we pa na the ketchup kakra bi. Dana. Me nam come try ya we.
Okay.
Glaze, honey glaze.
Honey glaze barbecue, kind of.
Okay.
Me nam come chow.
Okay.
Now we betum the baked beans so afa fa ho. O said the anena de. Wa nkasa na wo twiro nti no. Said the we betum we dey ja ye wi na kakra be bono.
We upgrade.
My way upgrade pa. Hey, Jolafura. Ekoye ne Jolafura me hwe ni. O sa baaze. Pa so metimi aka hwe. Ye nyina ye we ya nti ye nyina ye timi ka bi hwe. Wow. Right, come on. And the fancy no kakra bi for according to your moon nti no. So what the tasty Tom jollof mix na your jollof for this is the time. Wa come on no hwe ayo bi bia wie no. Wo di nsuo guma be jai no na ehu a eba sa bia wo jani mu na ehu pe na afe won say wo de wo mo no eba be gum. In the meantime, you be yi ha. Na ya hwe say, "Mod, obepe so be roll lettuce na hu bie wa na." Sa, mama ni yi ha ma. Na favorite mi yi ha ma mod na what take you over. Ebusafo. Baby adu no de nsuo na hu ntemo no ebe ko nsuo nu. Bi mpa so be je wo ahane. Na ene ye de royal aroma na ye nti no. Me twa ha kakra no wahwie. Dodo afi bi agua. Victor,
yes.
Bra. Mabubo garlic so ha. We ya meme diam de kan chicken no. But so man ketchup kakra. But so my ketchup more.
Na me the box chicken.
More. Yeah, they call chicken no. Ketchup and garlic. Don't worry, I'll give you more ketchup. There be mama.
Okay.
Into your fan box here chicken. Okay. Your fan come come.
Okay, good.
I was for ye chicken and mono so come.
Good.
Sama kairo so bia ya ne de me ko boa ha kakra. Na ma boa ha kakra. Ya chicken ni nie.
Nice.
Into no ya de be fefa ho. Ya de be gugu so. Na ama no taste bi.
With the garlic.
Ya de be fefa ho. Into abusafo. Sa uye ni say ya. Oh, utimi de fork rewura mu. Into say ya wo do ketchup no kakra na fa ho no. Na wa kan num say ya we dey say me come my way for no nti we so ya me so me trick ti ya twe e dey asem jollof ru aso any abre jollof no ho. That's right afei ye hwe mu a jollof ran kan pese wo kan wa no hwe say we okay with the seasoning no a
Ibia koyi.
Oh yeah, sure.
Ibia na
that do your jollof season power nti pese mu say o stock ni nyina komu yo okay dia.
I'm okay.
We okay. Ye ba be sa ya nwa no. Kakra every so. Abra mod so ani abra twitwi mod ya o salad ne ho ne manai. Aha. Ite ba ne say utimi sa.
Say dey pan kwan ni no.
Say dey pan kwan ni no. O sa eno no etimi ye stew. Ti ya sa wie o sa say ya na beye. O de si nchen na kirei. O de aye o stew kama. Ya wie ide ye be loja no pa. Yes. I feel also now things that over me relax you. The next thing is over check up. Yeah, ko salad ra ho abusuafo ma be mod. Enye. O lettuce no na wana me kwa ro homre. Me de vinegar. Ai. Borges apple cider and eba be ro ho. O ro salad no aye susu posa no ate. Wan susu an posa be wie na salad no ani na aye green ese. Wa bre the mo a wo so ni mu no. Na eda na oyemre misro krokro salad no susu posa no bie mu kakra say ya kama ha abusiafo McBrown's kitchen nie ane ohwe mema ya omuji o ma home jollof radi esija so na chicken dey so she oven mu say mod me be concentrate on also ai inti na oro say o salad nedru so. Nice one. Plate I be ye gumuni esanse pese ehun deco no any layers no. Pa inti mod. Pacho ubi bia ready dia. Brabe sato salad yi mine. O ye no na fe ye bobo my way policies ni so kakra. Mod policy be na be kan wansam.
Make my tribute wansam.
My tribute dey say account. Any kind first no.
But in here more insight.
More kasa. Mam titi bi mam.
Okay. My tribute policy no. Policy I cover family members. Our bushanu say uncle, auntie, grandparents.
Me pacho men katawa. Kaya salad ngonsa ko bo be pepa leaf ni nyina so. No kore. Nemo ye bedi ade ni sesi a enti no. Ya agency ye pentem. One pepa so na de siwa tinsu. Intino, my tribute.
A cover family members to say uncle, auntie, grandparents, brother, sister. So far, someone be more than 74 years here. Bet me a cover or more.
Now as low as
18 years.
18 years, as young as 18 years.
Yes. Now my tribute policy, the way it is for funeral. Nipa kona ordinary to policy, I just say ofrimu and sana. Bet me abeji den benefits no intenye se ni ba ko no yare nti wo ba beji sika.
Okay.
Nti wa said any say every month be a wo bet you premium so that BBC bet me be
my premium no so na de wo
benefits no
e de amawo.
Exactly.
Okay. Na say no na dey kan chechem say wo di nipa no to so na be ya within 6 months no.
Yes.
It covers you.
Yes.
After 6 months bia bibia ni a
exactly.
Now we are there on my way.
We are customer service.
We are customer service. We are customer service. Customer service the one who said the idea. We are promote customers in na. I think say more than yana. The salad ne. Okay, the rest is for you to continue here. Now, your chicken in here. Me don't for chicken on the air brown ne bano. Say out to me 10 as we go. Take a cry about 10 now ya come my life eye adwumakuo ni nyina and I ya come my way kakra ya come my tribute my kids no ya nsheda ncheche mu because obia wa akoda wo fie nti no
you designing my kids policy no wo kwan bi so a ekoba se owofo na oye policy no edema akwala no se obeye critically ill. Inti untumi nkomba.
Yeah.
And obeye total and permanent disabled.
Okay.
Inti untumi nye ejuma. And I say bia uwu ebe fana. Ebe hwe akwala no akopem infedo do oka se yenhwe no. They say kase ebe hwe akwala na ekwan be so any school fees.
Okay.
Any betia.
Okay.
Inti fan say bia wakwala a owo GHS1 for example. And why policy will say and cover for the next 10 years.
Okay.
Retenting a war hono, one of it to your fees. Nenso some fans say 2 years time echi and na wo fee ma. Every term ska ohon ma ebetua for akwalani fees are for the remaining 8 years.
Sir.
Sanity.
No policy no anything. Because they say Nenkula school fees wide.
Sanity.
Minimum school fees every 30,000, 35,000, 15,000, 4,000, 7,000. Maybe our uncle abandon school. Na school no kono 2 years school fees be 7,000 a term.
Into your minimum any maximum.
Good.
Good. Into minimum ni maximum na ebetumi etua no. Enumu na wo be select the ope. Ebia na the ahoden betumi.
We can project and let you know how much you said sebe wouldn't hwa. The best thing you can live for my education. We are guaranteed say obi we sa level no with the insurance now here.
Oh yeah.
And the disability betimi ama wontimi ye wedwuma. Akwenhia betimi aba accident.
Na na my kid no.
Now my kid no.
And my kid they must stretch pa.
Oh yes.
Dem fa number into joy.
Me the 3 numbers betujwa.
Okay.
First one no my way so person mu year. And no star 165 hash. And here my way.
Nice.
My future. So person when you ncheche mu the dial code ni ever free star 462 hash. And other policies na yebo hon komo na fee my legacy, my tribute, my kid, my cash. Ni na group policy awo we nije hono. Patch of friend number we Monday to Friday 8 to 5 p.m. 024-243-9999. 024-243-9999. Two Freya. Yeah. Officers ni bini bedin komo de card dia officer ubisa bibia uhia nchechemu. Any language I feel so you're comfortable in engaging us on in no. You know bedin komo na wa betiase. Na wa fa benefits ne premiums a wa holding betimi. Obia bottom wom from as low as 60 to 50 pesos a month on my way. With me to whichever level that you can afford. Into your number no.
Yo, yes, you're Rico Shawa. Rico Shamon Sala na come on.
Yeah. Now when you say my way, you sign the savings. Star 165 fashion. Who pese wo sika no kakra edi raise capital edi she udwem edi ko rent o dan edi che oba school fee savings side no. We insurance na savings ne ka ho. Wa ho den a obetimi.
Just my way ne dey say dey actually mo be sa brain so bi pantimenti my way ne ho no nko ase a be me ya.
Star 165 hash.
Maka star 165 hash. My way insurance I wa kwan say dey obotom be so.
Na some man say crowd to claims.
Metua teacher ni bi sika bi amma na anti Jo. Still me kaidi no. Auntie Josephine, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Auntie Josephine. O teacher ni ono no sunyane mbwa.
Sunyane
mbwa. Ah, anti sunyane fo nyina Auntie Jo nti ye chia mo ne. Pa ye tua. Was it say 30 something now? 60.
60 no my cash policy.
And my cash policy.
I think around 30,000.
30 something thousand. Yeah. And no Auntie Jo woni mo ho.
But there's no acquire retirement. Any tear the benefit demand.
Ani.
Only until June. No call retirement.
I want to teacher you no call retirement. And here my cash heritage cash back.
Yes.
Heritage cash.
They say Juma no minimum change. Inti me pa cha obe come my way abusia no na enyefe. Na your general number, me so the numbers me start to. Then the general number
024-243-9999.
Eva cha mod ewie ne dia o ha kama ye hwe maniema we nyina aye surplus aka wanchen mod me do wie aduane no sei na e me fe sei aye kama ye die big beans ye kivo big beans guso said wa wonim no ye o mayonnaise in mod mema mayonnaise ne so bi enem se ye di ne so che so mode enapa tete kakra gugu so me se na ye den ye di no so che me kran ka me be ma macaroni tuna ma de agumu ene se ye di no so che ye di independent na no ye na ye di independent into no chere ma me fa bi mra ye fa tuna mienu che so che kai de do ne e di am na broso emu den ka ya broso
abroso
ba se ye be di Ai, ye nipa bebre aduane dia. Ye mu yesesa ya anwa free so dada. Nti no ye behwe anwa ne nyina. Ye kanum no na ye de etuna no so ye den. Efra. Ene ye soche. Cash, aduane come home. Ebne be come home. Obusu ntwam. Beef hihiem. Obusu ntwam. Ena patuna room. Obusu ntwam tasty tom jollof mix. Obusu ntwam o na royal aroma so ne dia no. Obusu ntwam. No abidi. My way jollof. Said your pen no a sa obusu ntwam. Eda meme obusu ntwam na be no aduane. Anya da bo ebe bo no TV so. Ha. Pe no anu obusu ntwam. Afi dani mani no na ho kama. Iwe na de wife be ma 3 points of fee.
Ma na nhwe me.
Wife. Fa kwen so na chia nan.
Chia ne sisi ya.
Ka ho a.
Pacho Debbie.
De
me ye de. Wow school so. De o ka kire me no ha.
Eye Debbie ankase num mebreza. But Debbie, you should be proud of your husband. See, anybody mebre jollof ni ye ya no. Nenso de wu.
Ma ya ne kama.
Wait, I could be 2 women. Mfu nkata so. Ebuso ntwam. Say o testing officer o. Nti na mu ni bi why. Muti ase. If I'm trying to move you and money be why.
Any issue crap.
Mo beti ase.
There.
Men sama sort na our best sama sort.
No.
Aish.
No, you didn't go from bro.
The man who yen.
Good.
Our there sama sort.
Brown even.
No wa brown. No forms no wa badro. You know wa ko form.
Charlie said taste for TV man, she dey the taste for me yes mo.
Enwa. Taste no smosa aroman. Musa Roman were from
garlic no layer.
Garlic no were both from do.
Area manager.
The idea why such a pere or brown keke. Nenche mpacho be mam eye. Be mam eye. Dema. Ya jollof no so ya dani ani mu hu se de sitie. Ya salad papa bia ya ye enso enie. Sa wo hwemu ana abusuafo ya duane no ya wia na sa. Na sa de esi a chia da bi ne de. Mama Victor so anchi afia assembly Victor Victor and Benedicta and I was Ben and Debbie more remember Juana
it's look alone
into Victor so Chiana wife at Chiana years and have any issue Chiana
Benedicta all are from me believe ya me ba betrol skills ni bi
look at love oh I want somebody to show me and na my way jollof your salad are ready your chicken is ha your jollof so edodo no ho ba e die bio your wie anesa yen twi me ko kakra ne yen chi so kakra nsin chen ana
eno ane no
yen
small one no jollof na now the kakra gu nchen now the salad gu nchen now chicken da ho perfect
no problem ye ba be chi Opapo no so kakra bi. Papo should talk kakra so esinchen. Etim pa chaw this is my way jollof and kobe bia. Ye try one by beba no. Na ye jollof na set up. Your salad are ready. Your chicken near you know. Afi me cook it one day. Ye the high sense blender no be blending this is na. Ye the egu. And one e kai no kra no. Na say we don't spoil that one. You see? Abesi wa. Ebusafo. Ye ba sisia.
Yena samenamwa high sense product bakwa amanfo di wan dance pa eye sound system e bomu sronko bass ya bass treble so a treble ya shada ye ne say onam bluetooth so a connect ma odam niam nyina na watie wo sound papa bi connect your phone am a high sense sound system ne tie onyo enfie bebre ni and a high sense e di abotre ada eniam bi ti say rice cooker air fryer, ceramic hobby, and you may come bini halogen oven, blenders, hand blenders, and a kettle. A hand mixer, food processor, pressure cooker, contact grill, vacuum sealers, iron, vacuum cleaner, and an ice maker. And near man on nefe. ne buo ene se de entwe nyinam kanea enti na nkrofo ani gye ho saa no say home appliances nko na opedia to Hisense na ufie be dawase Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Hey, your tomato mix. What in so one on pass? Say loud. What tomato flavor no? Tasty tomato mix. Oh for kakra. Na ye bebre. For kakra young quine stew. Dodwa ope. No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania Japan. Presenia and Nino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mixing tea. Me handwriting and sada. Then I need the sanet here. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Martin. Martin with my homba. Papa tofu. Na me so be here scan. Na onya scan we here. Mama me susu nyina aka me tumu sa.
Ma we so fa so na be no. Sike fia me tua ne busu me bia no. E so fa so no no. Me from apɛ. E no mo ba me moa. Ene se obi abo ma ba so yi. Me didi na e na mfa so.
Aya kai say abrebia obey Miway Insurance no. Wo de obusu ani mapa baako ebe hye so. Me kire se ofri mu nko ade a ye be call mo a. Na wa na wo ye Miway Insurance no de. Ye be call mo abra wo ko yade krankro. Yade anankwanhia abubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye. Impo wakoda yare sabia ebro namienu. Se wadi 18 ekopin 59 a wo apomudin a wo betumi abeka Miway abusia no. Fa phone ne dial *165# ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye Miway a ka se no way. Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me ankasano, ade bia me ye bia no, me hihwempe papa no. And when I find it, I stick to it. My hihwemanya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewo tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft but not weak. Strong but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua me ho tummy. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soaky? Echimu esa pepper. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say here pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack.
Honey, new sabo and a pat evaporated milk. Tasty and creamy, right?
So
and a pat milk, a well custard one a fine. Na se well Tom Brown no rice water muswa a nice. Honey, trip na baso with the and a pat mayonnaise. And a medaya with salad no any burger. Fries so and a pat tasty ketchup. In the good side, coffee ni jollof no so made the end up few long green rice. Oh, you are. Don't forget your favorite and a chocolate milk drink.
Oh, more quite so.
See, honey, you are sorted.
I'm in control like a pilot on Oheneba Airways.
Mama.
Me you know.
Oheneba, I can't stand it.
Just a moment. Oheneba, ha?
Yeah!
Oheneba, oh yeah, Jack Macron no more. It's you can kase there. Hey yo contomre.
Udokni, tomato sauce only a bebre.
Oheneba sardine for box with salad here. Hey yo stew, ana jollof. Na better one. That don't know it though. Or to that.
Anapa Wufia, or Metabania Dewa. Joanapa soy sauce, check for user, or more tasty. Anapa baked beans for the breakfast. Na so was salad no oh shey. Anapa tuna, we try puffo. Na so was salad no oh taste good. Anapa non-dairy creamer. For box we so can see oats, na cremitino. Yawo anapa spaghetti. Talia Papa B. Mansunin Sijadun Hre. Nafa anapa spaghetti no kum. Wo anapa talia no I ready for watching on you with you. So anapa no so
Inkrati FDA appendo.
Dead spices. Taste day inside. But dead spices here what Jenny say. Nanya good taste. If we say yeah the natural spices and yeah organa hey yao. Ane you want all purpose stew, noodles, curry and nutmeg and a jollof. Dead spices. Taste yummy. Taste lemon. Dead spices. Taste day inside. FDA a jedi inkratoria too.
Nice wig. It's my hair. Wow.
I love your wig.
It's my hair.
Wow.
Miway, eye onu ankasa ni hair. Wow. Try the new BO16 No Lie Hair Relaxer and thank me later.
Easy to use in just a 3-step process. It's so easy on the scalp and contains shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil for healthy hair and scalp.
Bye.
Now that's wow. New BO16 No Lie 3-in-1 Hair Relaxer straightens, strengthens, and protects. BO16 Express yourself.
The GC brand. It's all about you. This advert is FDA approved.
Next.
Abranti, Aquava. Hey, Anna Kasana lost in translation. Aeka.
Dog, fetch me why? Where do I even start from? About 3 days in it. Dog, I want to see me also. Me ampa, me driane, kitwa bi, me prepared yasa. What show pa, free me.
Wow.
My eyes on squeezing me. My okay. Why? Same things ni na go. Learn fire down mad.
Just like that.
Learn fire dear number 1 money transfer app. Canada come home, US come home, and some UK so come home. And no one with the money of business funny and don't for no money.
Ubeka ko scan wo he fa
ye direct to me momo so ana me bank
na sa app for ya ba so yo mo nti usika bi nti aso
ye nti wo mo she zero charge
Abrantie na okọ wan ba na etua session ama
Best rates, zero transfer charges, and unbeatable exchange rates. Direct to Momo and banks in minutes. No need for therapy.
McBrown's Kitchen.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa. Ede. Ebusafo me mamu akwaba. Yeyi apron ni de wunim say ediane na aye ready ene ye hwe. Aye ready. Where Miway jollof, Miway chicken, Miway salad. Anambwa. Pepper. Na ya line up ediane no. Aye akono. Ye mompa ye na ne ye mfa nhyehyɛ so. Hwan na bebo?
Victor Bompire now no me na me boy already.
Za. You born Sima.
Okay.
5 seconds.
Okay. Be present at our table, O Lord. Amen.
Amen. This is 3 seconds. Wow. Yemo yensem ema omu. Na san ye bedi die no. Achede wo manim ha nyina ya modia. Intimi nim say rice cooker no mudi kosi office ya. Tissue no so be ko office. Na ohwe the GC brand niema me opening cream nyina wo mu. Dia no hwan be fa. Said the canon ya BO16 wo. Beauty over 16. Afa testing town no so e ko office hwan be use.
Oh yeah, your officers almost service the clients or more delight you no. Yes, you be delight you.
Oh, okay. And I'm what the adult spices so.
That's one.
Me wa enapa foods.
Thank you.
And I feel high sense me mama rice cooker. Bell pack say G tissue. Sir. And your man nyina my way for dear. It's as I ne oma beche my way your love. Inti enne yeba become jollof yahwe. Mo ba me dia na mo de che.
Oh, you didn't know, Mama. I say you're there.
No testing officer. One on quack to the Janina. Nancy, your manasa, your money nina. You find it, share testing officer. I was your chum, I was your chum, I was your chum, your baby jollof. McBrown's kitchen, and the Oheneba. McBrown's kitchen, arena so. Yet to Gano, so no, my is okay. Hey, who the one you when they jump home? Guys, now one chow woman we are the other which I miss who. You miss who?
My
Aye.
way. No way. My way. No way.
Ya no man did it. And my way, I can say no way, Papa. Na and now some dead there were pa de Jude the bell the pa.
And
Obinka. Omu se de no my ye, omu ni bi name omu ye my ye. My way independent jollof.
Oh, I mean shram.
Inti and na testing officer ni be 7 way. Be 7 ni ye me ye jollof no so. Oh say
Hey,
yeah. Now they were there there. One when they jinko.
And I'm coming through.
Beef na shishe wa hu jollof no. I was afọ. See the car patch say ntwam. Beef there. Beef and jollof. Jai.
Ola jawale.
Me ko akra. So they kan no nyam ko no. Eta to say ya. Mo do an ensign. Who is saying? Excellent. And excellent. Hey, bang. Excellent. You go put me for emergency. Me ba to. Who train me no na kan wasem. I was saying momu mark ne enko.
I'm so ye. Na chicken dey do you.
Chicken no so.
So ye. Number more 10. Son. 10 over 10.
Oh, Mom, guy.
10 over 10.
When you're open, say, yeah.
The food is nice. The one thing I like the chicken.
You like the chicken?
Chicken is nice.
To send my way jollof here 10 over 10. No. And my way.
I say, no.
My way is here the body.
10 over 10.
10 over 10. Pep. I was on for. You better want to do any come. I don't know the title of the mobile. You know, when I 10 over 10 there. Anyway, I had a brand of my acquaintance, me did my dear university. Into patch out my way for then I'm can't say chat to a cry.
Nana, the Ebek can say, the Padu do want to share my way with there. My way about the team. You can say over 1 million members. And all my way so. Your boy say, Ubia be born in Hawaii. Sabi, you know much no more sem. In the sober modern now, yeah, my way ni be dear. Not as I was so up can be so I day, I'm born Hawaii ni be.
Yeah.
Into number ni *165# hash. So bomb so went to me, I'm rape process now. Send you name that no. You be flow for your office. They are boam why process no. Into your beer find the phone non-dial *165#.
Nampato. Ayana baby I can say o dial *165# numpo. Na wa wutumi wi a wa na obo pin. Momo pin kum. Impo say yes ye frɛ wa enye ye ne beju momo pin e dia hyem. Mebua na ayampa. Said be ya nipa bonifuo bi. Emfa kwati kwan engine crofo pin numbers.
Say frɛ won e chechiro mu na oti ase na ofa dia wa ho den betimi aya. ye trigger prompt ne ba wo phone so wo fie ana we dwuma bibia wo want ye po de wo mbo wo phone so nkyerɛ na wa body has sign ya said ya
momo code no
momo code na gya atum sɛ wo so wo be yes sign hyehyɛ ai nti ye de be bo ma wate ase na wa fa level a wo betimi wa ho de betimi a free 6 cities 50 pesos ekwa kodu 36 cities one kasa fa de wa ho de betimi na wa ye insurance no we ya kai sɛ wo de wo busu ani mapa baako ebe hye so eno wo de ne ka ho no wuntu ahwe e free titimi yo papa nkasa wo maami ankasa sebe esan wu ba sa sika bi wo kwa e bi dia mema wo e bi tua ma wo aye wo sika wo to ne bosome no mfaso wo mbebre savings no kra na e good wo nti wa wo tie wo mfa ho nhye mu afa ho nhye mu wo pe mo nchechire mu so de number na toja 0242439999 wo friend ya e be bo ma wate ase kase bia wo pese wo ka bia ka kire na obedi nkomo na wate ase wo tie ase a obenya mu mfaso.
Yeah. Na question ba ko pa eta ba me social media ase eno no hu nipa no no akoyi ano. Pa de o kan say oh my way sa enso menyare menya hwe enso me beje misika mo mfa mame. My way no ye ne se akwanhia ba na mo bebem na se de o yi akwanhia ma ya nipa no onye den.
Okay. Yes, hyehyɛ no say de ten say wo insurance side na sasika ne yemba mbeje insurance there no say wo be ye no fa insurance na fa savings na the account savings in there wo de anytime bia otimi insurance side there yemba mbeyi nanso say afi edu na wo mbeje claim ne che say isan bia ba ma wo usika na oto for insurance side na mu 5% be send the amount back ye tua obia dia
insurance uchi car no na wo kɔ no obey asembia nsi obi amfa ntwi obi amfa momu a afe ne so a insurance no ɛhɔ no ahyim ohu amasa
when a peace of mind
ahyim na ye insurance nka afe mu no obi de betwiw obi de pemwo obi de ye obibia ɛno no ɛna nka wo ko insurance for ho no ma besusu di aye no ma asolve ho issue am sara na my way tie wo ye insurance ama ho wo my way so no afi mu nyina sa wa anyare ankoda hospital a sa afi mu nyina wa anya ka kwehye afi mu nyina sembia anto a usika no ye nkasa ye ba abagi ni nyina o na mu sika no wo bagi mu 5% and my way working it out at the 5% emma ne wo mumu so pacho yati insurance na sinye because ya na for comment na say na my insurance no my way say 4 years me ko say me ko je no mu say my area me mfa me receipt mra na omu emfa science e che no ma me basa wonyare ya et say the why car insurance e ho ma asam insurance for nso no so mbi omu ti wo twen sa asem bia ma sika no untimi nkasa wo kogen back ana meboa nemo my way so de be work near 5% back usika ne sade o 5% amount
na ade asem back no say asem bia mbae nenso so yenim da asem beba
unim
yenim da asem beba na de tene say ipa ba kwa wo de ne kan ho no pode e free o say de bia e kan no indi say wa cover ho a na de ipa ba kwa kan ho free otumi ye o maame otumi ye o papa otumi ye wunia otumi ye wo yire so de ne kan ho a otumi ye oba
won die wodi abro
18 so de ne kan ho a e free
chese
na my way no so se ne a chire mu no se bi nye owu enko ana eton a obenya benefit efi mu ankasa awaye no sempo wo honom na wo yare koda hospital a
bro saying 2 days
2 nights every other day be a hospital hono ebe ma benefit
okay
and no ena all be critically ill na untumi enkomba enye dwuma bioma there's an evidence say why critically ill you can say critical illness for one time say it me ye bibi to say cancer it me ye bibi to say heart disease accident ne de keke kan wi na your benefit e de be dey
ebe ma wo
e de be ba ni nyina echi na se bibi ensi a afe no so asika na we tua ne san so ma mu 5% for free
yen see my way and my life adwumako number ne so bi na afe en fan ko awie ye
na bibi kakra bi be ka ho e fa no ebi mu wo ho a mate yen ka ho but omo mfa omo ho nhiem sebe se wo ko ekura na hu se maame ne ho dodo no kakra Now do me kana waba be my way. Mbribi wo ho a ese wo ye ansa na mature say asem si ide sikakutu na ye odi ane be ma. Yes, 180 days, 6 months. Iti ya kana wate no ubetimi a start.
Nintem
men twen na wo hu say because obi ehu oyare ya yemfa ne mba mbeto so.
There be one so ya na ukope wu amanana.
Inti ya wate yenka ya odi awa ho odi betimi.
Say meti ase. Ene na osa wo ye my way o. O wa ho odi. Ene na osa wo ye my way. What is bebre na ya ka trewo. And so we try consider ben. Ya biano ya kano kura no hatrewo. And you with the way remix from Miway and then be my way. Jollof near my way, salad my way.
024 243 9999.
And no name ejumeko ni number unti bibi ase afre na yen chirechire mu. Me dam wase. Se ene. So my baby aduane so am here you know so I can't see you I can't see you when you want drink ya or no say say my way ka say no way ya dampen you for say aduane o ma be kire na baby o mu frenti o manya mre a kire adwumakuo no mu emu hyehyɛ bebre e de amayen yeda wase senne so wahwe e de amayen sa wonya my way ni bi akoye sa won hwe McBrown's kitchen dam pa cho de ya yi nyina gu YouTube momo de ane ko YouTube hu ni nyina frimra ye sha ase nyina da so gu ho yeda mu nyina ase me da high sense ase everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix and a Tasty Tom jollof mix so wo and also yesifa kakra bi nenye bebre and napa foods ede soko dead dough spices taste the inside Sarah and a bell pack tissue and you simply wipe it bibia afei yakwa enuma ye da kivo ase kivo gari soakings aye easy Kivo pepper, she ebio MiLife ejumekuo no ya kasa senye my way kase no way ya that GC brand ase Gandu cosmetics for nku de yeti de sra epebremu de enkwada de emayiwa ne memma titru ya ye ne kama e de amaye mano so ya don ase bebre the GC brand afei Wemplex 400 so be how betimi amwa yare obo be fno untumi nidi ye untumi nnaye ohomete when you had ben ni nyina nso ntumi course into ya kanfo 1+400 e di amount na ya da launcher kitchen ase for jade a umaye ne kai mu kama e di amami na ansana me economy di aseda e ma lemfi say international payment for everyone so wo hwe me wo UK dia but modern na sign up on lemfi no na brebia obe send sika no use code McBrown and McBrown MC Brown together nenya £5 off afei so what Germany, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Spain. I mean Europe krobe brain for sika money for lemfi. So we sit down. They dey 12 draw. They dey 2 ankola ne school fees. Bibia kai ne fa lemfi. Na lemfi international payment for everyone. Yami sure bebre. Share wo YouTube ene dey nyina esan say ye wo ho. Me da mu nyina ase. Me din de nana ama ajeman McBrown. Yebeshia na otwen sene MiPROMO McBrown's kitchen ediane pedo McBrown's kitchen emrina so be family amina ka ho
abusia
enjam
she next week yebesia
McBrown's kitchen ediane pedo McBrown's kitchen emrina so McBrown's kitchen McBrown's kitchen, bring us all. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen.